Okay, so when we look at Atom or Cosmos, what it seems like is that we had a big jump in volume here when it went up, okay, but then when we went down, we had a couple of big jumps in volume also, but it didn't go down so much. So I see this as a good sign of strength. And what it looks like is that we can come back to this 200 period moving average, which is at almost $6. Yeah, so now we're around 5, and this is around 6, so it's 20% higher, and with a good chance of maybe surpassing this level because it's a very important price point where the surpassing of this can trigger new purchases. Okay, so what I see here with Cosmos, Atom, whatever you would like to call it, is that we had gone up and we had some profit realization here. And also, what has to be taken into account is that if we look at these, let's look at the weekly chart. Okay, this is not very pretty. Okay, we can see that it has broken this support for some time here. So for many weeks, it was below this important support here. And many times when we have like the price go above such level after a downturn like this, which has stopped a lot of buyers, sometimes we have like a quick movement out of this area, okay, because this is like a support area. It went down, stopped a lot of people, and it stayed down here for many weeks. So sometimes when it escapes from an area like this quite quickly, so these are also a possibility. Okay, this is not financial advice, but it looks like for Cosmos we can have, let's go to the daily. Yeah, it looks like we can have like a reaction from this moving average, and of course you have to be careful, so the position sizing is essential, because sometimes it just goes down and stops people before it goes in the direction that people want. But what it looks like is that we can have like a reaction to this moving average at some point, not maybe here or maybe here, but and try to seek for this 200 period moving average again. And if we go past it, it can be like a trigger for new heights. Okay, so for Cosmos, this is it. Speak soon.